So, 4 coaching questions as we reflect how huddle went. So, first one, what worked well with running huddle today?
Well, the team knows their stuff. They're really plugging in the good things. I like the fact that they're just putting the critical communication or things on there. They're just adding to it.
Yep.
I don't have to always drive it, so I think that's a good thing. I
Yep.
see that as positive.
What else worked well today?
I thought it was a good meeting. They know where they're headed, and they have the information they need, and they know how to mitigate it, and they're getting better even at saying, I don't need your help, or I've got this, or I don't.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing.
Okay.
Where before I think we were like prompting, okay, what do you need? Do you need anything? Okay, what do you think you need to do? So, yeah.
One thing I want to point out that also that you did well today is there were a couple monkeys that showed up and you didn't take them. You were passing it back to the person to get them to think about their next step. So good job with that.
Thank you.
All right, so what worked well? So the second question is what could be better?
So I still am struggling a little bit with kind of our predictive volumes, and as we come upon fourth quarter, I think we're headed in the right direction. We had a really good conversation at PCAC yesterday about how do we get on top of this in a way that we haven't before. So we're going to get some people together so we have, again, even some more standard work, not just in these 2 teams who seem to know it, but a little bit more globally. Is there a source of truth that's going to help inform us more timely and then help us to plan. So we're not quite there, but I think we just continue to evolve in the conversation, which is good.
Okay. So as you think about what could be better, what's one thing that you're going to concentrate on the next time you have huddle?
So I do that. That's what I did with it. So you can ignore the voicemail and just do it. Okay? Bye-bye.
I'm not sure.
And
Do you have
sometimes
some
it's
thoughts?
well, and sometimes it's not. Ooh, we got to fix this. Sometimes it's this is really good, and we want to continue to have more of that. So it could be something you want to make sure you reinforce. Something that's good.
Well, I mean, the staff are doing a good job kind of with this whole ROBS, and they've really dialed in on falls and confusion in ROBS. So I think the more that they keep talking about that is good.
Okay.
I think they're learning from each other. It's not evident here, but I know, for example, that H8000 is doing some work talking with West 2300 about how they're successfully getting their folks moving. So
Sure.
I think just keeping that in my mind to keep that conversation in the forefront
Okay.
would be good.
Yeah. Good. So sometimes we reinforce what's good, and so that'll be the one thing you concentrate on is fostering those conversations. What support do you need from me? Good job.
Yeah, I'll just put that there to remind myself. You know, I think, you know, as we exchanged emails this morning, I think we should work to get like looking ahead ourselves, like let's plan out next week so that I don't, like I'm clear, like where are you gonna be and where I'm gonna be based on some of the meetings that may or may not be on my calendar. I think that would be good, just to make sure that we're on the same page.
Yep. My goal is I'm with you once a week. So that's why occasionally you'll see me try to find where you're at. So my goal is to be with you once a week. I'm once a week with each director.
Okay.
Your goal, your target is to be once a week with each manager.
Right, which I think,
And since you have more than 5, it'll roam to the
Right.
next week.
and I think I'll talk more with Heidi about West 2300 and where the work is there, because I'm not really as connected there and I'm not sure
And so
what that looks like. Yeah,
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
All right.
So yep, just ask her to do that then.